everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have an unboxing to share with you today. This package is coming from Amanda from Your Creative Studio, and she has sent me a package before, and I did an unboxing, and then I came back and did a video that I shared how I decorated a journal with the supplies that she gave me. So I will put those links below. But today I got a brand new box. She contacted me and asked me if I would like to do it again. So I said absolutely, because these boxes are really cool. So I believe this is the May box, and it's entitled Bird. So I haven't looked, so I'm totally doing this with you as, you know, I'm seeing it all for the first time. So again, the packaging is really pretty. I love this paper, and you could totally use this paper for other things. It has this beautiful little card with the bird in it. I'm going to try to unstick it ever so carefully. And it says, "The bluebird carries the sky on his back. Henry David Thoreau." Isn't that pretty? And on the back, it's a thank you. So, and I actually, the last box that I received, I did use this in the project that I made. So that is very cool. So when you order these, you know, save your packaging, because these are really, it's really nicely wrapped. So I'm going to open it up. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to take everything out, and then we'll kind of go through it together and get the box off to the side here. So I'll just start at the top and go down. So this is a notepad, and look at that. They're all the same notes, but I don't know if you can see it. They're perforated, so you can take these little individual pieces off, and then you have these little note pieces as well. That is very cute. That is very, very cute. I love that. You could ink that, distress it. Super cool. Yeah, I like that. There's quite a few in here too, so that'll work great. And then stamps. Oh, I love this one. Okay, so let's look at the stamps here. So I think they look like stickers. Let me see if they are. Maybe. It's hard to tell from the packaging, but, well, I can't tell. But there's all these butterfly stamps. Stamps. They are stamps. They are stamps. They are faux postage stamps. Aren't those cute? Oh, those are beautiful. You get quite a few in here too. Good gravy. These are beautiful. Oh, I love them. Look at all the pretty. Look at all the pretty. There's so many butterflies. That would look really great in a journal project. So Your Creative Studio, they are stamps, I could tell now. Or stickers, excuse me. Yeah, they are stickers. Okay, cool. So Your Creative Studio has a lot of supplies for like journaling, for, you know, your planners, you know, all those kinds of things. And I actually want to make another journal, and this is coming just in time, because I bought some paper that I thought would be really pretty in a journal. So I thought, you know, this is gonna work out really pretty. So this is paper ephemera, and this is by Your Creative Studio. And look at all of the pretty, beautiful images, the flowers. These are all flowers and birds. Look at the pretty birds. Oh, super pretty. I love this. Oh, no, wait. No? Yeah, they are. They are paper. Okay. They're not. Oh, they are. They're washi stickers. Oh my goodness. Okay. So these are washi stickers. And they are absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors and the roses and the birds and the butterflies. Can you see that? So pretty. Looks like you get 3 of every one. So these washi stickers, these are absolutely adorable. Oh, these are going to be fun to play with. Little birds and butterflies and flowers, just gorgeous. There's so many. There's so many. So in this pack, oh, I can't tell because it doesn't say, but there's a ton. You can see there's just a ton of different birds and butterfly. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's super beautiful. That's going to work really great in a journal. And I do love making journals. So what have we got here? This is another paper ephemera. Let's open this up. and see what we have here. It looks like a little booklet, and you open it up and there's just, oh, look at this, beautiful journaling cards. So let's just go through. So you got some florals and some birds. Looks like you get several in each one. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Okay, so you get this whole package. Look at the, oh, these colors are just gorgeous. I just love the images on here. And they all, of course, match. It's a set, so everything matches. That is so beautiful. Yeah, I love that. So you get this in the package. What is this? Oh, these are cool note bar stickers. They're called note bar stickers. Okay, and that's what the packaging looks like there. And let's open this up and kind of take a peek at this. So it looks like you get a ton of these as well. So these are stickers, and they're all like washi tape kind of things. So like if you were to tear washi tape off and add them to your project. So that's what that is. Oh, those are cute. I hope you can see this good. These are really pretty. All the different washies there, and they're all just gorgeous. That will be fun. You could use these. You could stick down your note papers, your little tablet pieces here. You could do that. So there's so many possibilities with this. You could just decorate the bottom of pages. They're really cute. And I don't know if you can see it really well, but the edges are look like they're ripped. So that's really cool. Pardon my hands. My hands are really dried out. I have allergies and they just are driving me nuts. Okay, so what is this one? This one is called a Mo card. I'm not sure what a Mo card is. Let's open it up and find out. It's stapled, so it's a little booklet. And it's, oh, okay, so it's just little ephemera pieces. They're all the same, but very nice little booklet. So you can just tear them out and use those in your projects. That's fun, little labels. I like that. Let's see, what's this? What's this? The Time Traveler. Oh, these look like paper ephemera pieces. All right, let's open that up and let's see what we've got in here. Yes, really nice paper ephemera pieces for doing your journals, so you could do like a collage type layering with them. Oh, I love these. These are vintage, the letters. So cool. There's different sizes. So like there's a whole bunch of this size, like right there. There's some square sizes here. These are really pretty. These are fun. So you can rip edges, layer them onto your journal page. And I love the colors too, because there's lots of different colors. You've got all the neutrals, but then a little pop of red there. Isn't that nice? Aw, wedding invitation piece. That's very cool. So there's square pieces, and then you have some larger pieces here. Really nice. I love that writing. Oh my goodness. And the music sheet. Oh, that's cool. That's can you see that? That's beautiful. So lots of music sheets. That's great. And letters. Oh, this is really cool. All right. So there's a ton. Can you see this? There is a ton of these in here. So that's cool. These are bird stickers, so they look like they're translucent. So that would be good to add to anything. Very nice. Let's see what's in here. This is masking tape. It says washi. Let's see what we have in here. So I'm trying to actually save the packaging, the envelope, because you can use that in your journals as well. So I like to save that. So, oh, this is pretty. This little bird washi tape. Let me see if I can roll it out for you. Or unroll it, I should say. Oh, with little birds. Oh, how pretty. Oh, and butterflies. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous washi tape. That is beautiful. That would be really pretty in your journaling projects and your planners, your notebooks, you know, whatever. I love journaling and writing and keeping notes and stuff. I'm totally not a digital girl. Okay, so we have some papers in here, and let's open this up. They look like they might be the rice papers or tissue paper. And I'm going to be very gentle when I take these out because I don't want to mess them up. But these are super beautiful. Looks like you get 4 of those. Very, very pretty. Kind of shiny on one side. If you wanted a more muted thing, you could totally do it that way too if you wanted to. I just love the images on these. It's so pretty. Oh, and stamps. Little bird stamps. Oh, I love that. Can you see that? Okay. Oh, those are cute with the little flowers. Everything matches, which is really, really cool. Ooh, this looks quite interesting. So, what is this? This is the last thing. So it looks like we got a pillow box in here and a bunch of stuff to go with the pillow box. So that's cool. Let's take this out and see what we have. So it looks like we have some more, you know, papers with some really cool images. Look at that. How pretty. And I bet these are washi stickers again. They feel like it. Let me see if, yep, they are. They're washi stickers. So we have some of those. Oh my goodness. Look at those. Can you see those images? They're so pretty. There's some more papers. Look at that. We have regular stickers. Now that is funny that I would get that, because if you follow my channel, I just did a design team project for Country Craft Creations, and I actually kind of recreated a kind of a record album thing. Look at this. This is so cute. So all these stickers. Oh, these are gorgeous. Ooh, I'm going to have fun working with these. There's a tag with a little dragonfly on it. Got that. Little die cut letter. Little tag here. Very cute. More stickers with the paper. Oh my goodness, I love this. I absolutely love this. This is going to be so much fun to play with. A scene creator, a vintage scene creator. So is this feels like a washi thing too. I'm going to see. I think it is. I think it is. Let me see. Maybe not. I have to play with it. It sure feels like it, but you could totally cut that apart and make a scene out of that. Look at the images on here. All the old-fashioned typewriter hardware and stuff. Oh, so cute. And then here's papers. More papers to play with. I swear, these have got to be washis. Yep, they are. They are. So these two are washi tape pieces that you can cut apart. I got a couple bigger pieces of paper with beautiful vintage images on them. Yeah, super nice. Another sticker sheet with the washi stickers. Those are fun. I love that. And then you have some twine here, and then you have a really nice, and this is a really heavy duty pillow box. So that's very cool. That's a whole kit right there that you could do all kinds of stuff with. So y'all, this is great. So again, this is from Your Creative Studio. Amanda sent this to me, and I absolutely just love it. I hope you liked the unboxing. I'm going to leave links below to go and for you guys to go check this out. So I think this was the May box, and she has lots more to choose from. So if you're interested, please go check her out. This is really awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I will show you what I created with all of this beautiful stuff that she sent me. I'm just so excited. So this is all really beautiful. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Have a good day. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.